Okay, sir. So in the last class, we discussed about we are discussing about sales application, right? So we discussed about product price book and price book entry. Okay. So right, yeah. So we create some products also. So what is product, Mahesh? What is product? Why is product?
Objects, we define any attributes like name type.
Yeah, product is nothing but like some item, right? Or thing, and we can say some item or thing or services. Okay. For example, if you take a like an iPhone, Samsung laptop, anything. It is like a some thing. When it comes to services, means what? Like internet services. That is also one product. Okay, that is like a service-based products. If you take like a mobile and all, it is like a normal physical products. Understand everyone? So product is nothing but some item or thing or services. Okay, it will store the product information. So we created some products. So what is price book? What is price book? Why will create price book? What's the user?
Sta-
What is the connection between product and price book?
Standard
We
price.
can
Yeah, madam, tell me.
we can create region or country specific products.
So normal ga price book is nothing but to catalog products. Okay, we can use a price book. Okay, why we can use a price book? To differentiate products with the different price. To catalog products with a different price. Then we can go for the price book. Okay, in case if you want to sell your product in multiple places, multiple countries, or with a different price, then we can go for the price book, right? For example, if you take a same product, Samsung product, if you buy if you sell this product like a individual customers, you can give the regular price, like standard price. For example, if you take same product, if you want to sell like a wholesale, you want to sell like a 10 products or 20 products at a time, can you give same price? Everyone is following what I'm saying? For example, you want to sell same product, okay, for one person or individual customers. What is the price? What is the price here? Individual customers. How much price? 300, right? For normal we can say it is like a standard price. Okay. For example, same product, if you want to buy to the any retailers or like some dealers or something like that. If you want to sell same product like a wholesale, they want to buy products like a bulk. So will you charge same price? Same price is some, or you can give it different price if you take bulk products normally.
Different price.
Different price, and we can give the some price also less compared to the single product. If you take a bulk product, it should be like a less price. So for that time, what you can give, you can create a separate price book like a wholesale price book. Something just I'm giving why we can create multiple price books. Okay, in case if you want to give same price for all the customers, individual customers, wholesale customers, enterprise customers, other customers, then we can give the only one price, standard price. We can give a fixed is 300. But when it comes to wholesale, right, maybe we can reduce some price because they are buying bulk products, right? Something like this. In case if you want to sell same products to the big company, like enterprise, some enterprise you want to sell, for example, Max IT company you want to sell, they want something like a 5,000 products, 5,000 laptops. Then what will happen? Can we same price book or with this one? Or we can get separate price book? We can create a separate price book, like we can make it like a 250. Okay. So normally, what is the price book is? Price book will differentiate price based on the country, based on the region, based on the customer, based on the anything. Okay. Generally, price book is nothing but for same product, we can give the different prices based on the requirement. Understand? అర్థమైందా వాట్ ఇస్ ప్రైస్ బుక్? Hello?
Yes.
Now I'll ask question. Tell me, like, for example, Hemlata, tell me, I want to sell my product. So throughout world, I want to give the same price. I need to create a multiple price books, or can I use only one price book? For example, I want to sell my. Mm-hmm.
ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చేయండి సార్.
Question repeat చేయాలా? Okay, so clear వినండి. ఓకేనా? So I want to sell my product, this product example, throughout world. Okay. In that case, throughout the world, I want to use the same price. In India also, I want to use same price. US also, Canada also, China also, I want to use the same price for my product. So in that case, how many price books I need to create? ఇంకా సింపుల్ గా అంటే నా ప్రోడక్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఫిక్స్ ఉండాలి అన్ని కంట్రీస్ లో. టెల్ మీ హౌ మెనీ ప్రైస్ బుక్స్ ఐ నీడ్ టు క్రియేట్ నౌ ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు గివ్ ద సేమ్ ప్రైస్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద కస్టమర్స్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్. ఎనీ కస్టమర్, హౌ మెనీ ప్రైస్ బుక్స్ వీ నీడ్ టు క్రియేట్?
సారీ సార్.
క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా?
Only
ఏం
one.
క్వశ్చన్?
Multiple, sir.
Why, sir? Why multiple we need to create, sir? What
Actually,
is the tell me question, Subbarati, first of all. What is the question?
there is,
Huh?
you can
What
fix
is
one.
we
You
want
can
to
fix
give a
one
same
price.
price for all the
Every country. Actually,
not country, all the customer. You can say
yeah,
every country else.
yeah. But we sell the different rates for. Suppose there is a USA and India, but product price is different.
Don't consider all those things, okay? I will name పట్టించుకోవద్దు. Question ఏంటంటే you have to give the same price. Simple. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Tell me how many price books I need to create now?
One price.
Same price. Either USA, don't consider about taxes, GSTs and all those things. Import, export, అవే మోసం లేదు మనకి. So we need to give the fixed price. Tell me, how many price books now we need to create?
Only one price.
Yeah. Why only one?
Same price.
Because
Same price for all the
same price
customers.
all countries.
Same price for all the customers. Then why you need to create why you cannot same product again to the multiple price books? Not required. Okay. So in case price is changed based on the country, region, or based on the customer type. Just now we discussed that individual customer, wholesale customer, or enterprise customer. So in that case only you can create a multiple price books. Otherwise, you can use only one price book. No need to create a price books, multiple price books. You can use the existing standard price book. Okay. So now last week in the previous class we created the products, right? So what we can do is it is showing some different. So how many versions are there in Salesforce? As I mentioned, right, for every year there are three versions are there, right? What are those? Hello, Nagvani, what are the three versions are available for every year? Anyone?
Interwin number.
Sir,
Madam. Winter, spring, summer. Okay, currently which version is running now?
Winter.
Okay. Spring, sir. You can
Spring.
see,
Yeah,
right?
okay.
Okay, you can check in Google Salesforce current version, something like that. In case even if you want to know, like in the org, directly it will display in the right side. You can see, right? It is not displaying the lightning UI, but in the classic you can see currently we are in which version, Spring 25. Something. Okay. For every 4 months it will change. Next summer 25. Next winter 26. Something like that. Every 4 months it will change, and every 4 months they will add so many features, so many new functionalities into the Salesforce. Okay. Okay. So we created the products. Now what is the thing is we need to create a price book. Okay. So normally price book object is not available here. Okay. So you can see some plus symbol right here. So what this plus symbol it will do is if you click plus symbol, it will show all the objects in this organization. It will show all the objects in the organization. Some problem is there for this. Click to switch to classic. Plus. There is some problem. Setup. Just you can type here. Apps. There are new tabs. Why it is not showing? Sales, service. So actually by default price book object is not added here. So we need to add it to this app actually. Okay. So we can see all the products here. So timing, it is not working. Why this plus button is not working? We'll check later. I think some issue is there with the Salesforce only. Okay. This is issue from Salesforce only. We can raise a case. But timing, how you can navigate to the price book is just in the same product object, go to the down. Okay. You can see there is something called maintenance here, right? You can just click on this option. We'll see if it will work or not. Right? So now we are in which object now? Which object? Price.
Price book.
Okay.
Price book.
Not normally how you can see this object size same way it should be there in the here, but that is not working that URL. There is some issue with the Salesforce URL. So, but how you can navigate that price books now? Click on product, go down. You can see there is something called maintenance manage price books. If you click, it will navigate to the price book. Now you can see all price book. Okay. So you can see this option for every object. You can see this option. So any idea what we can call? If you see any object, view something is there. Any object. Any guess what is this one? What we can call this one? We can call this is a list view. Okay. Generally, what is list view is it will filter the products. For example, you want to know only accounts created this week, you can use this option. If you want all accounts, you can use this option. If you want to see recently which accounts you opened, you can use this option. All these things. Okay, this is list view. It is available by default. So we can create new list views also. We will discuss that in the future. Okay. Now, if you go to the price books, you can see all price books. Click on go. So by default, Salesforce is giving two standard price books. Okay, this is standard price. This is a okay. This is active and this is inactive actually. Now, if you see click standard price book, go to you can see this price book is a standard price book active. Go to list. So by default, it's there. Okay. So in case if you want to use same price for all the products, you can use this one. Standard price book. All these things. Price book. Okay. So in case if you want to use the same price for all the products, so just now you created some new products, right? You can add it here. Just you can click edit. So here you cannot see it. Right? Okay. So in case if you want that, we can use this one, but we do not want thing. So for example, we can create one new price book. Okay. So here price book name, for example, I can give India price book. So this is for India customers. It should be active. In case if you want to copy products from the existing price book, you can use it. For example, I want to copy all the existing products from this standard price book, you can use it. You can clone the existing all the products to this price book, you can use this option. Don't use this option now, just click on none, click save. Okay. Once you click on new price book, there are like two fields, important fields, price book name, and should be active. This is description you can give. This is for India customers. By default, it is not a standard price book. It is a custom price book. Okay. Whatever Salesforce is giving by default standard, that is standard price book. For every product, we should have standard price book. Okay. And this is the custom price book. That's why we no need to set this checkbox. Click on save. Right. So that is like a price book. Yeah, tell me, madam.
క్లోన్ గురించి ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
Click edit. For example, we can create one more price book. Go to price books. Click new button. USA price book. For example, active. This is for US customers. Yeah. So you were asking this one, right? Clone from the existing price book.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for example, now how many price books we have now total? These are two standard price books by default Salesforce providing. This one is created by whom? India price book. We only, right? Just now we created, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Who created India price book? We only, right? So that's why we
Yes.
just.
Yes, sir.
So for example, if you use this option, you can just read it. You can clone content from the existing price books by selecting from the pick list below. Okay. For example, if you use this option, okay, standard price book. So what will happen is, if you use, for example, if you choose this option, for this already some products is there, right?
Yes,
Price
sir.
book entries are there, right? Products already added. So it will copy automatically to this one if you use that option.
Okay, sir.
If you want to use all the existing products, okay, for this standard price book, whatever the products are added already, if you want to use this option, we can use this option.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay, sir.
Because okay. So if you click on price books here, so now we have two custom price books. Okay. So for example, if you choose a India price book, okay. So remember just now what we did is today we created products already just in previous class. Just now what we did created price books. Okay. We created price books. Just price book is nothing but a it will contains the just price book name is active or not. Okay. And based on the requirement, if you want to sell products price with a different based on the countries, you can give the suggested name like India price book, USA price book, China price book. In case if you want to sell your products based on the like something called region like America, APAC, something like that you want to give, we can create separate price book for that. In case just now we discussed it, right? Something like a start individual customer price book, wholesale price book, enterprise price book. This way you want to create, you can create this type of price books. So now I want to create products based on the country. So that's why I'm giving price book name is like this. Understand everyone? Otherwise, why I'm giving these names like India, USA price book, all these things? Because I want to sell my products based on the countries with a different price. Based on the countries with a different price. That's why I'm creating a price book with some meaningful name based on the country, like India price book, USA price book. Okay. Everyone is following what I'm saying? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So we created products and price books. Now you want to connect product and price book, right? How you can connect product and price book?
Price book entry through price.
What is price book entry? What is the relationship between product and price book? For example, now I want to ask.
Junction object, sir.
Function object.
Junction object, sir. Price book entry.
Correct. Price book entry is a junction object, correct, madam? So my question is, so what is the relationship between product and price book? Product ki price book relationship ఏంటి?
Many to many relationship.
What is many to many relationship, madam?
Multiple peoples have multiple prices.
Some more answer I need to, you need to give some clear answer, madam. You are giving answers. Anyone, what is many to many relationship? Subbareddy, what is many to many relationship?
We can identify both product and price book.
Mhm. Anyone? What is many to many relationship? Subbareddy,
Yes, sir.
what is many to many relationship?
We
What
are
is many to
selling
many?
multiple products and we wanted to sell.
Anyone, sir?
One product we can sell multiple users and
For example, this is product table.
We can sell multiple products in multiple regions.
Correct. Only that option or vice versa also?
Vice versa also.
That means, what is the meaning of vice versa means?
Multiple price book connect with multiple products.
Correct. Exactly. Okay. So normally if you take a, okay, iPhone Pro 1, iPhone Pro 2, iPhone Pro 3. So now we have example 3 products here. Okay. For example, I want to sell iPhone Pro 1 in India also. I want to sell in US also. I want to sell in China also. Okay, sir. For example, so I want to sell this product in price in India. So what we have to do? We have to do the connection. I want to sell same product in US also. Same product in China also. So one product is having how many price books now?
Multiple.
multiple.
So this is normally we can say one product is having many price books. Yes or no? అర్థమైందా? So one product is having how many price books now? Many.
Many.
So normally what we can say, simple గా చెప్పాలంటే one product to price book. What is the relationship?
One product to insert
So one product is having multiple price books. Yes or no?
one to అప్పుడు అది వన్ టు మెనీ రిలేషన్ అవుతుందా సార్?
ఇది one to many అవుతుంది, right?
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay. So similarly, from this one to this one, this one to this one, this one to this one. So now what is happening?
మెనీ టు మెనీ సార్.
So one product is having multiple price books. So similarly this one. Okay. So if you observe not only product, one product is having many price books. So similarly one price book is having many products. So in case if you want to create like this, so we have to use, we can call it this one as a many to many relationship. Okay. So, but what will happen? We cannot create a many-to-many relationship in Salesforce directly between the two objects. ఇలా create చేయలేము. Understand? Normally,
Yes,
if you
sir.
want to create a many-to-many relationship between two objects, we cannot create it. Generally, if you want to link product and price book in the same table, it is not possible. So what we have to do to link product and price book with the many-to-many relationship?
Jan-
We can connect through junction object.
Correct. So we cannot possible this way. It is possible అవ్వదు. Okay. So we cannot connect product and price book in the same table. So connect product, one product with the multiple price books. Similarly, one price book with the multiple products. If you want to connect like this option. So which option we have to use?
Junction object.
What is the object here? What is the junction object name here?
Product.
Price book.
Sorry.
Price book entry,
and
sir.
so if you want to connect one product with the multiple price books, one price with the multiple products, which option we have to use? Price book entry. So
Price
here
book entry.
from price book entry to product connection is there. From price book entry to price book also connection is there. So what we can do now? Here we can enter the data. For example, iPhone Pro 1. I want to sell in where? Which country, man? India. So in the price book entry, what we can do? Price book entry, we can select product name, price book name, and price. For example, I can give the price equals to $500, $5,000, list price. So similarly, same product, I want to sell in a US. So price I can give a 6,000. So now you can see in the price book entry, in the price book entry table, we are connecting what are all the things we are connecting, sir? We are connecting product. What else we are connecting? Price book.
Price
And what
book.
is we are giving? What we are giving at this one? What is the other option? What is the other option we have to give? List price.
List of price. List of
Understand?
price. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So now already product is there. No, మన ఆర్గ్లోనా all product exist or not? Yes or no? We created products or not created still now? Products create చేసామా చేయలేదా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we have products. So this table is there. So we have price books. No, price books కూడా.
Oh, nice, sir.
Yes, price books also there. So now we want to connect a price book with the products. What we have to do? How we can connect these two?
Price book entry.
Correct. But what we have to do? We have to use the price book entry. We cannot connect directly this to this to this. Okay. So where is price book entry is available? Okay. So normally if you see in product, right? If you open product, okay. So here there is an option called, what is the option name here? In the product record, what is the option here you can see?
Add to price book.
Exactly. If you click this add to price book, before that, so there is something called standard price. What is standard price? When we are giving standard price? So when we have given the standard price, what is the standard price?
In the beginning,
After
we have-
creating product,
yes.
after
So,
creating product, we have to give the default price for the product. That is nothing but a standard price. It is mandatory. Understand, sir? అర్థమవుతుందా? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now click on add to price book. So here, for example, I want to sell this to the India, so I can choose the India price book. Okay, click select. So now we can see this table is nothing but which table we can call it as price book entry table. Understand, madam? So product is there. Unda? Product is available now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Price book also there?
Yes, sir.
What is the default price? In case if you want to use the same default price for the customers also, increase this option. Okay. If you want to use the same default price, MRP price for the India customers, you can use this option. So it will automatically come here. It should be active. Now you can click on save. So this is the one way. So how we can add a price book to the product? Go to the products table.
Yeah, two price.
So click the what madam? Product name. Here what you can see? Click
Yeah,
the
two
add to
price
price.
book.
Right? So now again if I want to add same product US also, select. Click select. So now if we see by default it is showing like a symbol. What is symbol here? Rupees.
Rupee.
So normally in the real time, what will happen if you are selling your products in multiple countries? It should be like if it is USA, we have to use the dollar symbol. Okay. So for that, what we have to do is, okay, if you want to with a different currency, click a setup. If you want to use any multiple currency for the different customers and based on that, just click a setup. We have to configure that one. That is nothing but what we can call is multi-currency. Okay. What is multi-currency? By default, whatever the details you are giving, by default, it will take a corporate currency is a main country, India. Multi-currency means if you want to, this is by default not available. We have to enable it. Okay, how we can enable multi-currency? If you click setup, if you go to the
Multi-currency.
if you go to the company information, can you remember, madam, why this showing company name is Samsung? So everyone created org, right? What is the company name showing in your org? Why it will come Samsung?
We are given the name.
Where you have given? ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చిర్రు?
Details of the create loan.
Huh?
Product
ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చారు?
Product name is
Product
given.
Product
Product
name
name.
దగ్గర కాదు. Product name దగ్గర కాదు మేడం. So when you are creating new Salesforce developer edition, so here you are giving company name. Understood everyone? అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So ఎప్పుడైతే you are creating new or that time whatever the company name you are giving, so that is coming here by default. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా? So whatever the address you are giving country, that will come automatically here. Right? So whatever the language you are selecting, based on this, our user is automatically taking at the time of creating all. Understood? Okay. This is which edition here? What is the edition?
Developer free edition.
It is a developer edition because this is a free org. Okay, here you can check. Okay, once you created org, you can check this one. So only developer edition is a free edition. It is a lifetime org, sir. Okay, it will not expire. అర్థమవుతుందా? This developer edition will not expire. In case if you are not logged in continuously 3 to 4 months, it will expire. Otherwise, it will not expire. అర్థమవుతుందా what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So here, so you can see there is option. What is the option?
Multi-currency option, sir.
So if you enable this option, what you can do is we can use the multi-currencies. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా? So we have to configure multi-currency. But you need to remember before enabling this option, you have to check this option. What is it saying?
This user cannot be managed.
Sir. So once you enable this option, you cannot disable again. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా? Hello. If you enable this option, what will happen again? Next time, if you don't want multiple currency, if you want to disable it, you cannot disable it. You can't turn off this option. Once you enable it, we have to use it. అర్థమవుతుందా? What I'm saying?
Okay, sir.
So So once you enable this option, what will happen is in the Salesforce, by default, for every object, you can see the currency field. Okay, by default, you can see the which fields are currency. Okay, so this topic we'll discuss later because if I add enable and all these things, we'll confuse. First, to understand basic thing, we'll discuss this one later. What is the option how to enable multiple currencies? Hello. So now I'm just giving all this same price for all the same currency for all the users, but we can use that option also. We'll enable that option later. First, we'll see how it will work. Okay. Okay. So currently India price book we can add like this. So there is one more option. So we can go to the product. You can click the add to price book. You can set the product price book and give the list price. Arthamayinda? So this is the one option. So we have one more option. Directly you can go to the price book. What is the option here you can see? Now we are in which table? Product table or price book table?
Price.
Product
Price
table,
book.
sir.
Which table, madam?
Price
Product table of this one. Where is the product, madam, here?
Sorry, sir. Price book, sir.
Price book
So
table.
what is so if you want to connect product or price book, okay, so always use this price book table because see normally if you go to the product now, if you go to the product example, remember tab. So one product, for example, if I want to add this product to the price book, how we can add? Click add to price book. So at a time, one product we can add to the one price book. You can use multiple price books, no problem. Okay. For example, normally how we can add is we can in the real time we have less price books. Normally we can have like a 4 price books in real time also. Okay. మనకి real time లో కూడా maximum how many price books will be there? Max to max 10, sir, or 20. Not like that. But when it comes to product, what will happen? Like a huge products, like it's like a lakhs or thousands of products in the real time. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా? What I'm saying? So if you take a real time, how many price books you can create normally? Real time also. How many price books max? 10 or 20. If you take, for example, country base, how many countries maximum we can sell our product? 10 countries. So you can create 10 price books. But in 10 countries, same product, Samsung will have so many products. Samsung mobiles also there. Samsung laptops also there. Samsung iPods also there. Some other products also there. So which one is easy? Adding product to the price book is easy, or one price book we can add products to the price book is easy. For example, what is my question is, so normally if you want to connect one product to the price book, how we can connect? Go to the product, right? What we can do, you can click the add to price book. So for example, for example, assume I have 100 Samsung products, 100 Samsung mobile products. Okay, like Samsung 1, Samsung 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. How many products we have? How sir?
100.
100 products ఉన్నాయి. So now I want to link all these 100 products to the India price book. ఏం చేయాలి సార్? ఏ ప్రైస్ బుక్ యాడ్ చేయాలి ఇవన్నీ?
Yeah, price
India.
book. India
Hmm.
price book.
So what we can do, how we can add now all these products to the India price book? So last time what we did, we went to the product object. So already Samsung 1 added. Now if I want to add this product to the India price book, how we can add it? Again, we have to click this one, add to price book, India price book. Again, what we have to do, open another Samsung product, add price book like this. Again, like this. So we have to do, how many times we have to do this option? If you have 100 products, how many times you have to do this option?
100 times.
100 times. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So instead of that, what we can do is, in case if you want to link bulk products to the one price book, don't use this option. Don't use this option. Going to the product, selecting product, add to price book. This option is like a multiple times you have to do. So what is your requirement? You want to add bulk products to the one price book. So in this case, directly what you can do is you can directly go to the price book. ఎక్కడ పోవాలి? You can directly go to your price books. So here, what's the option is there? Which table this is? Already one product added just now, right? So this product is added already. So now I want to add remaining 100 products. What you can do? Click add. So now you can say that which products you want to add. I want to add this one. Already this one is added, huh? No, right? Okay. Then you can select what are the products you want to add. 100 products, right? Then what you can do? How many products we are selecting now for one price book? Multiple. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then what you can do? Click select. So here, this is a default price we are giving at the time of product creation. If you want to use the same price, you can use it. Otherwise, if you want to change a little bit, you can change also. But I can give same price. Okay. Now, how many products we are adding for this price book? For India price book, how many products we are adding?
India products.
6 products, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Click on save. So which one is good option now? If you want to add products to the price book, which option is good? If you want to add same multiple products to the one price book, which option you have to use? How we can add? In the product level, we can add, or price book
Direct
level,
go
we
to
can add?
the Indian price.
No. Correct. That is correct. So where we need to add? Product level, we have to add it, or price book level, we have to add it.
Price book
We
level.
add bulk products.
Price book.
Price book.
Why? Why? Because here we have option. Here we have option to select
Giving to all.
multiple products, multiple products at a time,
selected.
and you can select it. You can add it. It is very easy, right? In case if I
Yes,
want to add one product to the each like a one by one to the in the product level, this will take time. అర్థమవుతుందా మేడం?
Yes, sir.
So that is the one option. Okay. For example, if you take reverse option, madam, now. Okay, normally in the real time also we'll use this option. ఎందుకంటే in the real time also normal గా we have more products, less price books. అర్థమవుతుందా? If you take any real time example also, if you go to any Big C mobile, okay, Big C mobile they will use a one store only with have multiple products, huge products, mobiles, everything is there. Okay. So in that case, what they will do is, it is easy. They will get one price book. They will add all the products to the price book level instead of all those things. In case if there is a reverse option, like one price book. Okay, I'm saying like example, less products. For example, 5 products. I want to assign to the 20 price books. Which option we can use? Tell me now. Reverse order in case. ఇక్కడ ఏమున్నాయి products ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి, less price, one price book. Now what is the option? 5 products. Or if you take one product, now leave over to multiple, one product, I want to add 20 price books. Which option you can use now?
Product level.
Product.
Correct. Why? If you go to the product, if you select here, if you click add to price book, so here you can set multiple price books.
Multiple.
Understand?
Yes.
అర్థమవుతుందా? Which option we have to use which time?
Product.
So based on the requirement, so normally in the real time also this is the good option, sir. ఎందుకంటే in real time also we have more products, less price book, normally to link all these things. That's why we can use suggest this option. In case very rare cases, in case if you want to add one product to the multiple price books, which option we have to use? Which table we have to, where we have to go? Go to product table. In case if you want to use 100 products to the one price book, which place we have to go? Price book table.
Price book.
Understand, sir? And this is the option we have to use. Okay. So now our basic configuration is done. Okay. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది సార్ అంటే, so we have created the products, we have created the price books. Then what we did? We connected both products and price books by using which option? Price book entry.
Price book.
Understand, sir? These are all price book entries, right? You can see the price book is there. This is the product name. This is the price book name. This is the list price. Okay. At the time of product creation, whatever the price we are giving, that is called standard price, or we can call it as MRP price. Okay. In the price book entry, whatever the price we are giving, that price only list price, selling price. Understand, sir? So this price will be changed. Even whatever the default price is that you want to change it, you can change it, or you can put the same price based on the requirement. So now our basic part is done. We are ready with the products. So we are launching some new 3 products, Samsung products. So next, what, madam? In the sales process, products are launched. They started. They want to sell these products now. In the sales cloud, sales process, for the next step.
Promotion.
Service. Promotions.
With your madam service and చెప్పింది without selling you will service madam. Huh? So only create the products, right? First you want to sell the products. Now if you want to sell or you want to like no customers know, so like we are launching some new products, how they will know?
Campaigns.
Madam.
We need to do the
Campaigns. Okay. So products configuration is done. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do the campaign. I can just click a new campaign. For example, campaign name I can give Samsung. What I can give is campaign 1. Okay. Samsung campaign 1. Okay. You can make it active. So which type of campaign you want to do? You want to like a webinar, you want to email, you want to do the ads, advertisement, whatever you want. I'll take advertisement. I'm doing some advertisement. Type planned or in progress or completed or aborted. So I'm planning from tomorrow onwards uh, till 28. Okay. I want to start advertisement from this date to this date. So okay, you are doing advertisement. So TV or any like anyone will like charge or not charge amount, madam, for that campaign. They will give free advertisement.
Charge.
They will charge, right? So maybe we can give some amount. Maybe I'm expecting for this advertisement. I'm just thinking maybe I'll put a 500 rupees or 500,000 rupees, something like that. I'll give 1,000 rupees. Why I'm saying rupees? Because now our main currency is rupees, so that's why I'm saying 1,000 currency. Okay. In case if we make it like a dollars is the main currency in our, you can call it as a dollar. Now our arg is with the rupees. Okay. Expected revenue in campaign. Okay, expected revenue in campaign. So how much revenue you are expecting by doing this campaign? So I'm expecting maybe I'll get some 50,000 or 1 lakh, something like that. Maybe I'll give 1 lakh. So by doing this campaign, I'm thinking maybe I'll get a 1 lakh revenue. So how much budget you want to put in this campaign? So I'm expecting maybe I'll put 1,000 rupees. But actually what happened? You can update this field later also, or maybe you can update now also. Maybe actually I'm thinking this will happen, but actual cost happened 800 rupees, something like that you can put. My budget is actually 1,000 rupees, but actually happened this much. Okay. So still now these are all not responded. You can remove it. This is parent campaign. Okay. What is parent campaign is? See, for example, now we are doing Samsung campaign 1. After 1 week, next month I'll do Samsung campaign 2. After that, a Samsung campaign 3. So in case if you want to connect one campaign to other campaign, you can use this option. The last time I did this campaign 1, you can set that. But till now, there is no campaigns. This is our first campaign. So that's why you know need to set this option. Okay. So what is why you are doing this campaign? To promote our new Samsung products. Understand, sir? Click a save. Understand, everyone? We have to give the basic details. You have to click the save. So once you create this one, so we have given all these fields, the left side fields. On the right side, you can see how many leads are in campaign, sir? We have received any leads from this campaign till now? No. Inka just now we started, so we have not received. Okay. This will come. This will automatically calculated based on the leads we are getting from this campaign. Okay. మనకి వచ్చే leads ని బట్టి by this campaign how many leads we are getting based on that these fields will populate. Okay, we'll discuss all this will populate, once we create the leads. Understand how to create campaign? Go to the campaign, click new button, create the campaign. Clear everyone how to create campaign? Okay. Okay. So what will happen if you do campaign? ఏమవుతుంది campaign చేస్తే?
You can promote a product.
Yeah, we actually are doing now, already promoting now. Some
They
advertising
they
start
are
అయిపోయింది సార్.
interesting to buy the product.
Okay.
Already maybe we can put it like in progress. Okay. It is started now. Campaign is already, we are getting ads in the TV now daily.
Same,
So what will happen?
same.
Say maybe example now we can see Nagaveni, Kusuma, Subbareddy are watching our ads in the TV. Oh, Samsung new phone launch. We need to buy something there. They're thinking. What we can call these people now? So campaign is what? What is campaign?
Promote to the product.
To promote our products. We can use a campaign. Okay. ఎలా ప్రమోట్ చేస్తారనేది అవర్ విష్. We can use the banners, advertisement based on the customer requirement. What is leads? Lead is nothing
Interested
but
customer people.
Nothing but interested customers.
interested customers, madam. Okay. Interest customers.
Sure.
So for example, our three people. Who are the three people now? Kusuma. Subbareddy. They are watching our ads in TV. Many people are watching. All our students are watching actually our ad. But these people are only interested, madam. Okay. So there is like no condition like some all are watching, they will buy products, not like that, right? So some people will buy, some people will skip that ad. Okay. But these three people are interested to buy one new Samsung products. Okay. So what we can call these people? Leads. Interested customers. So how they are coming, madam? మనకి ఎలా వచ్చారు these leads? By which campaign? ఏం క్యాంపెయిన్ చేసాం ఇందాక మనం. What is the campaign we are doing now? Samsung campaign one. Okay. So now if you see, what is the number here? What is the number you can see here? Yeah.
0.
0. You can see campaign members. Is there any campaign members now?
No.
No.
Zero.
Okay. So by seeing, actually Kusuma is seeing our campaign now. So I want to create a Kusuma data in our Salesforce. How we can create? Go to the leads tab. Click new button. Miss Kusuma. I'll give some just random name. Maybe she's working in IBM. Okay. So he maybe is a title. I can give something. Team lead. So ఎలా వచ్చింది మనకు leads by advertisement, right? Is there anything something called advertisement is there here? ఉందా? No, right? So you can use now by default other. Otherwise, if you want to add, you can add it a new pick list values to this existing. How you can add new pick list values? In the last class, we added something called hardware, software, service, right? In case if you want to add this new pick list to this field, how we can add? Go to the setup, open the lead object, click the fields, view fields here, right? You can use this option also directly. View fields. Where you can go? Go to the lead source. So you can add new pick list values here. Understand? I don't want. Now, time being what I can do, I can use the other option. Other means what here? Nothing but our advertisement. So which campaign, sir?
Samsung mobile.
We did a Samsung campaign one, correct? So industry, she's working in IT, IBM, right? Where is that industry? Anywhere you can see, madam. Technology, okay. So maybe she's getting annually some amount. Maybe you give 1 lakh. All these fields are not required, just understanding purpose I'm giving. Okay. So if you see the red symbol, right, these fields are mandatory. but remaining is it is not mandatory. But normally we if they are providing data, we should enter like for data quality purpose. So phone number 9898989895. Mobile number I'll give a same number. Fax also same number. Email ID I'll give a suma@gmail.com. So website www.ibm.com. So lead status. This is very important field in the lead object, sir. Okay. This is very important field in the lead object. Okay. There are like some picklist values. By seeing this field only, we can understand like how much the customer is interested to buy our product. Okay. So by default, it is open. Lead is open, not contacted. For example, I am Varaprasad, right? I am working in this company, Samsung company. So I am creating this lead. So I created lead, but not working connected to the person. So I will give this status. In case I'm just contacting daily Kusuma, we can use this option. So if this lead is qualified, we can convert it. If Kusuma is saying I don't want product, we can cancel this product also, lead also. Okay. So by default, I use this option now. Rating, we can give a hot, warm, and cold. For example, she is very much interested to buy our product. We can call it as a hot lead. In case, okay, they are thinking like maybe next month something like we can warm and cold this. So I'll give a warm. So maybe you can, she's working in IBM. I'm thinking maybe there is something for 100 employees in the company. So I can enter her address, house number 2-3. City, Hyderabad, postal code 552. State, Telangana, country, India. Okay. So remaining fields, if you want to give, you can give. Otherwise, not required now. Okay. Just add some description. Okay. That's it. You can enter all the information. Click on save. So make sure this field is available only at the time of new lead creation. Okay. This campaign field is available when, sir? If you create new button, then only if you after, for example, if you're not selecting this campaign, you are saving it. So next time it will not available. If you click edit, you want to add it, it is not available. So make sure you should select here only. Okay. Now tell me, any changes will come here? Any changes are under click.
Yes. I do.
What changes will come?
Leads.
Leading campaign
How many leads?
1.
1.
One, right? So campaign
Right.
members, how many campaign members now?
Um,
One, right? So campaign members is nothing but the customers we are getting from this campaign. Normally we can add here lead object also. Campaign members is normally what you can do here, you can add as a leads also or contact also. If you click campaign members, here you can search leads. Maybe like their first name, last name, you can search it, you can add it also. Here also you can add it, campaign members add it. In case if you're in case if you're not adding here the campaign no, in the lead record, so what you can do? You can add. See now you can see, can you see campaign field now? Can you see the campaign field now? Can you see campaign field anywhere here? No? Can you see or not? Campaign field. So we selected campaign name right here. Where is that field now? So once you create that field, it is not displaying in the UI. It is not available here. After creating lead record, you cannot see it. If you selected it campaign, already. So it will come here. We can see you selected already in the lead record campaign, right? So it will come automatically. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
So once you create a lead record, you cannot see that campaign field. For example, if I want to get one more lead, can you see campaign field now again? కనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
So normally Salesforce, what Salesforce is doing is this field is only available for when, sir? At the time of new lead creation. ఎప్పుడు కనిపిస్తుంది field మనకి? At the time of
Yes.
new field creation. After creating, you cannot see this field. Okay. For example, now we can see different option now. Okay. So we have one more lead, Subbareddy. Mr. Subbareddy, MA or MLA. What is MLA, sir? MLA Subbareddy. Company IBM. Okay. So remaining fields not necessary. If you want to give phone number, you can give it. Okay. So remaining, I don't want to select now. Just I want to get the just lead. So now I'm giving campaign now.
Yes, sir.
Giving or not giving now? It is blank or I am giving value?
It's empty.
Empty. Click save. So now this lead, no, this lead will come here or not? వస్తుందా రాదా? Hello? How many leads in campaign?
Only
One.
one.
Why this lead is not showing there? Because we have not selected a campaign at the time of creation. If I want to add campaign again now, can you see the campaign now?
Lead
కనిపిస్తుందా?
status. Lead status.
మేడం లీడ్ స్టాటస్
సుబ్బారెడ్డికి లీడ్ స్టాటస్ ఇచ్చారా సార్?
బై డిఫాల్ట్ it will take it is there lead status.
ఓకే సార్.
Actually, we have not given campaign field at the time of Subbareddy creation, so that's why it is not coming here. Understand? So now, but we have missed it. How we can add it now? But I want to add this. Subbareddy also came from which campaign? That campaign. How we can add it? So here, this is option is there. In case if you miss here, how we can add it? We can add here also. Add to campaign. Otherwise, you can go here. Here also you can add it. అర్థమవుతుందా? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I can click a lead object, add to campaign. Which campaign? This campaign.
Sir.
Lead status sent. Okay, click save. So now if you go to the campaign, what will happen? How many campaign members now? Two. Who are those? These two people are now. Understand? Like this. In case if you miss here, how we can add, sir? In case at the time of creating, you are not selecting campaign. If you want to add this lead again to the campaign, how we can add it? We can click the add to campaign button in the lead object, you can add it. Understand? Or you can use this option also. Campaign in the campaign object. Here also you can search that lead, you can add it. Understand? Lead or contact, which one you want to add, based on that you want to select it, you can add it. We get one more lead now. Nagaveni. I'll say SS Nagaveni. She is also from IBM. Okay. So now I will not select here. Click save. Tell me now, what will happen? She will come under this campaign or not?
Not so.
No. Right? Why? Why it is not coming? Because we have not selected the campaign here. So now how we can add Nagaveni to this campaign now? How we can add?
Add to campaign.
Add to campaign. This is one option. Other option. Go to the campaign. Under the campaign members, click manage members, add members. So here leads object, right? Now we are searching. Click a field. I'll check with the first name. What is the first name? Wait. First name equals to Nagoini. Can you see now? Can you see now? Select this one. Status, I'll select the send. Okay. Now how many campaign members? How many campaign members, sir? Campaign members are nothing but the customers for that campaign, sir.
Three,
What is
sir.
campaign member? What is campaign member, madam? Campaign member is nothing but a customers for that campaign. How many customers are you are getting for that campaign? That is nothing but a campaign members. Understand? అర్థమైందా? Hello? So, what will happen? In the next class, we'll discuss all this, how qualifying all lead, madam. So, that is all today. So, what you have to do the assignment is, so everybody is using developer edition, right? Not other editions, right? Normally, if you use other editions, you can see some like a trial expert, something you can see. But developer edition only lifetime for you. You have to create a products and you have to create a price books. We have to connect both products and price book. How we can connect? Price book entries by using. You can connect it. And you have to create some campaign. And you have to create some sample leads under the campaign. Nothing but a campaign members. Otherwise, you have to do this assignment. So before Monday, tomorrow we don't have class, we'll get Monday again. So everyone should complete all these assignments before Monday. Okay. So in case if anyone have questions, right? If in case if anyone have questions, so I already Anand is there one person. So maybe they are available weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Just in the group we can ping Anand or something like, I'm stuck here. Can you help something like that? He will contact you. Okay, I'll add one more person also in future. But now you can contact Anand. So he's available Saturday, Sunday, weekends.
Please
In
mention
case if
like,
anyone's stuck in it. Okay.
please mention in the group or like